Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Capturing Life as It Happens. In my last video, I showed you guys how I took down the koala hub and how we packed it up and put it back into the bag that it came with when RBM shipped it to us. And today we have the Koala 7, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I get this Koala 7 tent back into the bag. Again, first thing you want to do is open up the tent. You want to double check, make sure there's nothing inside. So as you can see, we have the clear plastic front door on this tent because that's what we use in the winter time. I'm going to remove this door and then I'm going to put in the summer door. Just like all the other RBM tents, the Koala 7 is no different. So you have to make sure you open up this window, the main door or the front door. You have to unzip the door. Also, you have to unzip the screen door because even if it allows air to go through, the air won't go through fast enough to get all the air out from inside the tent. So make sure you open the screen door as well. There's another window right here. So make sure you unzip that part as well. Make sure to open the side windows. If you want, you could also put a small opening for the screen part so the air could come out. Same thing for all the other windows. You don't have to fold it up, but just keep it open and put a small opening here. Don't forget the back window. You're not able to unzip the back window, or you're not able to unzip the screen part of the back window, but you could open up this front part. Also, the inside of the window has another screen. Make sure to open that one as well on the inside. On the back where the air vent is, make sure to release those little tabs. I have no idea what these little bugs are. I've been seeing them all over the place lately. They're like small caterpillars. If anybody knows what they are, leave a comment in the comment section. But I have no idea what these little bugs are. Now the Koala hub has two air valves. It has one on the back side of the tent, and it has another one on the front side of the tent. And they're both located on the same side of the tent. So if you're facing the tent, it's one here on the right side, and there's one all the way to the back. I will leave a link in the description to the RBM store. Just head over, click the link, and check it out. So here's an extra tip, guys. So when you buy your RBM tent, these are the stakes that comes with it. I'm not saying they're bad, but I would recommend you getting this one. See the difference? If we put them side by side. So this one is probably about 12 inches. I'm not sure exactly, but I will put the correct measurement in the description. And it's a little thicker. So just think about this. You have a tent like the RBM tents, and you spend a lot of money getting those tents. So you want to make sure it is secure. And again, don't get me wrong, the ones that RBM provides works just fine. But knowing me, I like to always take everything a little step further. So I went on Amazon and I got me these stakes, which is a little more heavy duty and gives me peace of mind. So like I said, I'm going to put the link in the description. So if in case you guys want to get those stakes, you can use that link to get it from the Amazon store. They're not that expensive. I don't even think they're like $30. But again, I will put all the information that you need in the description so you guys could check it out.